going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number 1 on my list, a 2000 Chevy S10 with a buy it now of $650. I have always loved these old S10s, the Blazers, the pickup trucks. I've just always loved them. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, I don't care. I've just always loved them. This thing's got 192,000 miles on the odometer. It's full of stuff. That's different. You don't always get a bed full of stuff when you're out here shopping for a car. There's some door panels, a microwave, a computer. I bet this computer works great after sitting in the elements. I would imagine it's probably going to run awesome. Oh yeah, it's missing the processor. It's missing all of the RAM. All of the connectors for the hard drive are non-existent. Yeah, that's great. This will work great. This will work absolutely perfect. Plug and play. Plug it in and go. The body doesn't look great, but it's also not the worst I've ever seen. It doesn't look too awful bad. It's scraped and scratched, and there is rust in the corners, which is normal. I wonder if this was a theft. I do, because there's like somebody's stuff is in here. This doesn't have the third door, at least not on this side. Okay, we'll go to the other side. Somebody threw some 6x9s right there in the dashboard. The door hinges are failing. This thing's bad. This thing's real bad. Oh. Well, that's unique. If you're a GM guy, you've done this before, right? So this is no big deal. Of course, my hands are a little bigger than they used to be back in the day. I'm not sure I can... Hold on. Come on. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's because I got this watch on. The watch won't fit through the door. That's okay. We'll do it this way. We'll go through the passenger side. Oh, this thing is really rough. It's really, really, really rough. And it doesn't smell. Oh. Okay. Well, that's not gonna happen. Lots of stuff back here too. Yeah. Oh yeah. This was somebody was up to some dirty deeds, I think, guys. Got a lot of wires and starting fluid and who knows. All right, well, why don't we do this? Why don't we put the key in? Yeah, we knew that was gonna happen. How am I gonna pop the hood? I guess I just gotta climb in this damn thing. I really didn't want to, but there we go. Look at this. What the hell is this? Oh my, okay. You never know what you're gonna find out here, guys. I'm pretty certain, I'm not 100% sure yet. It's the 2.2, it's the 4-banger. It's good, I mean, good fuel economy. Biggest problem I had with, I think, every 2.2 that GM came out with was head gasket problems. Every one of them, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I always had head gasket problems out of these things, but they're easy to change. Head gaskets aren't difficult on this. Here's your battery plus, so we can just move that out of the way. We'll throw a jump on it. We'll see if it does anything. It does say right here, non-runner, so I don't expect that this one's going to run. I don't have high hopes for this, and I really don't want it. I don't. There's nothing but junk here, guys. Nothing but junk. I didn't hear a fuel pump. Oh. Well, hold on. Probably got to put your foot on the brake. Come on. Nothing. No, I hear the fuel pump. I do. Nada. Okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe there's some secret handshake you got to do with this thing to get it to run, like a button or something. Who knows? I feel absolutely disgusting climbing around in this thing, so that's nice. I didn't figure this one was going to run, and as I said, I lost interest in this one really quick, even for $650. Hey, I'm into junkers, guys. I am. I love the old forgotten junk cars that people just dispose of when they get something new. I really do. But this one, this is a little bit more than that. You know what I mean? This is too much. Too much. I'm not interested. Let's see what's next. Next on my list, a 99 Dodge Ram. Yes, back when it was still called a Dodge. Back when Walker Texas Ranger was on TV and drove one of these. Back when Twister came out. You guys remember the Dodge Ram. Always loved this generation of Ram as well. I thought it was just a great looking truck, man. They refreshed it. The body style was epic. It looked mean, and I think it still does today. This one is a little rough. It's a Laramie. SLT, no odometer, oh, no keys. That could be a problem. I didn't know that I didn't know it had no keys. Well, this is interesting. Huh. This is rough. Damn it, man. Well, crap. Let's double check. Yeah, there's definitely no keys. Let's take a look. Sometimes they hide the keys. When these cars are being donated or sold or whatever, sometimes the keys are hidden. Not in there. This is the cup holders. Not in there. What about in here? Nope, not in there. If it was up there, that's long gone. No. No. And the door, there's relays under here. Somebody got into some relays. Oh. Well, there's the sparkulators. That can't be good. Well, let's pop the hood. I think it's already popped. We'll check the glove box real quick too. That's my bad. I really thought it had keys. I wouldn't bother looking at it if it didn't have keys. There's only so much we can do. Look in the door over here. Lots of lighters. No. No. I didn't think so. Yeah. Okay. Did I already? Yeah, I already looked in there. That's where the spark plugs were. Back here, maybe? No. Okay. So it's got no key. Hell, I don't even know what you'd begin to bid on something like this with. What, $300? Or nothing? I don't know. She's got herself a K&N cold air intake. I call them hot air intakes, but she's still got her battery. All the plugs are removed. So someone took all the plugs out and they just left it. That leads me to believe there was something wrong with this. Maybe they did a compression check, and after the compression check, they said nope. Huh, let's check the oil. Whoops. Great. Just dropped it in the dirt. Give me a second. Let me find something to wipe this off on. Well, I checked the oil, and she's pretty significantly overfilled. That's a little concerning. You don't know if that's water or what. How long have those spark plugs been out? Has moisture gotten into the engine and started rusting out the cylinders? Who knows? Who knows? No keys, rough body, very rough interior. I'm losing my voice. I'm just not feeling it, guys. Okay, I'm not feeling this one. Let's move on. And well, there's got to be something else out here. There has to be. Let's go see if we can find it. Well, I found one, but I had to go all the way to the other lot to find it. How about a 2011 Ford F350 Super Duty? This thing is only sitting at like 650 bucks. That's gonna happen. I'm not gonna let this thing go for $650, guys. This thing is a beast. Assuming it runs, I assume it does. I don't know. It's kind of rough. The back window was busted out. There's a transmission in the back and a torque converter. Okay. The tires are bad. It's a theft recovery, which is why the back window is smashed out. Most likely that's how they got in. The bed, oh, this side is pretty rough, guys. This side is pretty gnarly, especially down here. I mean, you could grab that and winch it back out. if you really wanted to. Let's take a look. Oh, nope, that's not gonna happen. 236,000 miles. I mean, it's rough, but it's not that bad. Well, yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Ooh, boy. Yeah, this is honestly pretty disgusting. Yeah, it sure is. Someone just had a new key made for it. That is brand spanking new. Let's plug it in. Yeah, it's dead, of course. Let's pop the hood. Oh boy. It's a tight squeeze over here, guys. Yeah, if this thing runs, and it says it's a run and drive, if it really does, how do you open the hood? I don't... There we go. There we go. You can bet I'm going to throw a bid on this for $650. You got to be kidding me. Up you go. Oh, this is not a diesel? What? This is gas. Okay. I'll be quite honest with you guys. I did not know that you could get an F350 with a gas engine. I thought they all came with diesels. No kidding. What size is this? The 6, what, I don't remember what size they put in this. A 6 something. Is it a 6.0 or... Comment below. Somebody comment below. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab a booster pack real quick. Let's throw it on there, and hell, let's see if it runs. All right, here we go. I see some lights on. Let's push those out of the way. I'm still blown away this is gas. Oh. Climb up in this nasty thing. Let's turn that radio off. Here we go. Oh, someone cut the converters too. Are you serious? Oh, that's awful. Yeah. Huh. Well, she sure don't want to run. Check brake system, brake fluid low. Oh yeah, there's no brakes. Yeah, I think this one's done. It could just be out of gas. It really could. I don't know if you can see the gauges there, but the gas gauge is on empty. One more time. I'm not gonna kill my booster pack over it. Okay. All right. Well, climb out. So, someone stole it. Someone cut the converters. It is out of gas, guys. I'm telling you, I got a hunch that if you were to put some fuel in this, it'd probably fire right up. I don't know what else is going to be wrong with it. What do you think? This is one I really need your help on. What do you think? Is it just such a rat's nest that we should leave it alone? You know, we don't know what's been done to this thing, and we don't know that putting gas in is going to make it run either. I would assume it will, though. I mean, it's way out of gas, guys. Way out of gas. So, she is ratted out, though, man. A workhorse, though. An absolute workhorse. You don't have to worry about beating it up. This would be a great work truck, farm truck. There's ratchet straps holding every piece of this truck together. Back bumper, side steps, everything's held together with these things right here. You need to get a tailgate for it. You need to get a back window for it. Why there's a transmission in the bed? Well, I don't know. I don't know. That is the big question, isn't it? Does that transmission doesn't go to this. That's for something else. That's a two-wheel drive transmission anyway, I think. Yeah, that's a two-wheel drive transmission. So that goes to something else. She's rough. She's rough, but if it goes cheap enough, I think I will go ahead and throw a bid on it, guys. I will, and we'll see what happens. God forbid we don't get this running. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get this home. That's it, guys. We're done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.